Good morning, children. Today we are continuing with the rest of the chapter, and in the last day we just learned that all the animals just followed the cat and they just stopped at the end of that forest, at that edge of the forest. Now we can look at what is going on there. Okay, now get ready with your textbook, page number 43. Okay, ready? As they peered through the leaves. Peered means what? Looked with great difficulty. I will show you one example. Okay, just wait here. Going to minimize this, okay? This is what peer. That means with great difficulty that person is just looking out, isn't it? She is or just want to find out something with great difficulty. She is looking through that hole. Okay, this is what peered. Now we can go back. So this is what peered. Okay, so as they peered through the leaves, they are just in between that, or you just imagine that these are leaves. So through these leaves, that creatures are just looking. What is happening there? They look sideways to each other and tremble. Now they are looking sideways. They are looking each other. They are and tremble. That means they are frightened. So something frightening is there. Something is there that make them frightened. What is that? Ahead of them across an open field covered with haycocks was a man's farm. A man's farm. A human being's farm is there. Haycocks is given there. Heaps of hay kept in the shape of cones. Heap of what? Koona pole. Just like corn, they are just keeping that hay. It's what haycocks. But cat wasn't afraid. Our cat is with very great courage. He is just walking. He went straight on. Just looking here, not just looking here or there. He just went straight. Straight on, over the field and up to man's door. He raised his paw and banged as hard as he could in the middle of the road. He just raised his paw and just touch in that middle of the middle. You just imagine that here we can find. You just imagine that this is a door, and you know cat is very short. He just raised his paw and he just do what? He just banged as hard as he could in the middle of the door. Okay. Man was so surprised to see cat that as fast he could, he just stood eyes wide open mouth. No creature ever dared to come onto his fields, let alone knock at his door. Cat fox first. So, that man is greatly surprised. Dared means to have the courage. No one, no creature just even have the courage to when near to his farm or to his house. Now, one creature or one animal is here and he is knocking at the door. So, he is very much surprised. Okay. So, the cat spoke first. I have come for a job, he said. A job? Said man, hardly able to believe his ears. He can't believe his ears. What? A cat is asking job from me? Work? Work, said cat. I want to earn my living. For my day-to-day life, I want a job. I want to earn something. So you have to give me some work. Man looked him up and down. So that man is looking that cat up and down. Oh, this cat wants job. Then he saw his long claws. Claws means his that long nails. Okay, and cats have that what? Sharpened claws. Okay. You look as if you would make a fine rat catcher, said man. So man is saying that, oh, you look like what? You will be able to catch rats. That is what our man is saying. Cat was surprised to hear that. He wondered what it was about him that made him look like a cat catcher. So his cat is very much surprised and he is thinking, what made him think that I am a great rat catcher? I don't know. Still he wasn't going to miss the chance of a job. But anyway, he wants some job to earn his living. That's why he's just saying that what? Okay, I want to do some job. So I'm not going to lose this job. So he just stuck out his chest and said, been doing it for years. I'm catching rats for years. So I'm ready to do that. Well then, I have a job for you, said man. My farm's swarming with rats and mice. They are in my haystacks. They are in my corn sacks and they are all over the pantry. Pantry is the small room used to store food. Okay. So the man is saying that these rats and mice are everywhere. They are in haystacks, they are in my corn sacks and everywhere. So you have to find it out and you have to kill them. You have to catch it. So before cat knew where he was, he had been signed on as a rat and mouse catcher. His pay was milk, meat and a place at the fireside. So he just said that, the man said that, I will pay milk, meat and a place you have to take rest just near the fireside. So he slept all day and worked all night. So what happened first day? At first he had a terrible time. Actually he was a lazy cat, isn't it? So first day was he was in great trouble. Okay, deep trouble. The rat pulled his tail. First day what happened? What happened to the cat? The rat pulled his tail. The mice nipped his ears. That rats nipped. They bite his ears. They climbed on the rafters. Rafters means large pieces of wood supporting a roof. That is what? Rafters. So they dropped down, thumbed onto him in the dark. They teased the light out of him. So they irritated the cat as much they could. And cat was a quick learner. At the end of the week, what happened? He could lay out a dozen rats. Layout means place in a neat line. That means he caught a dozen rats and twice as many mice within half an hour. So within half an hour, now he learned to catch a lot of rats. If he had gone on laying them out all night, there would be pretty soon have been none left. And cat would have been out of a job. That is what our very funny, our author is saying that what? So if he laying them out all night, they would pretty soon have been none left. So if he just worked for more hours, there will be no rats or mice there. That is what our author is saying. So the cat will lose his job also. Okay. And so he just caught a few each night in the first 10 minutes or so. Then he returned into the barn. Barn means a large farm building used for storing grain, hay or just like what? Farm items. Okay. So he will just return. That means he just after 10 minutes he will just for 10 minutes he will just caught one or two or a minimum number of mice and rats and he went to the barn to take rest. Okay. And played his violin till morning. So what happened? After catching that, he will just went into ban, and what happened? He will play his violin till morning. So cat is very happy. He is getting enough food, and now he get time to play his violin also. Clear? So this was just the job he had been looking for. Now the author is saying, or the cat is saying, that this is the job that cat wants. Why? Because he gets all the food and he can rest near fireside, and now he get enough time to play his violin also. Okay, clear? Man was delighted with him. That means he liked him. He was very much happy with him. And Mrs. Man thought he was beautiful. That means Mrs. Man means wife of this man. This man. He is saying she just think that this cat is very much beautiful, and she took him on her lap. You can see that in the picture in your textbook. So that lady took that cat and kept or placed him on her lap and stroked him for hours. Stroke means just patting, just touching him for hours. So now cat think that what a life, thought cat. What a life is this? I can rest lot, and this lady also love me very much. They are taking care of me, and I am earning, and I am getting, now I get time to play violin also. If only those silly creatures in dripping wetsuits could see him now. So in the last there is a question and saying that if only those silly creatures, that silly creatures in the dripping wet forest could see him now, what they will think. So this is the very end of the story, and I think this is very much interesting. So you have to do one thing, children. You have to just go through this chapter, and you have to copy down all the meanings from your textbook. Okay. Today this is enough for you. And thank you, children. Thank you, and have a nice day.